A man accused of entering a home and damaging items with a sledgehammer pleaded not guilty today in Fairbanks Superior Court. 33-year-old Sean Coursey faces burglary and felony assault charges in connection with the December incident. Court documents say Coursey entered the residence while the occupants were asleep. He then destroyed items, including a TV, with the hammer. The homeowners were able to subdue Coursey until law enforcement arrived. Troopers say he later told them he had entered the residence intending to harm the property and its occupants. Trial for his case was set for April.